This dictation is 80 words per minute taken from Sri Kailash Chandra's shorthand transcription magazine. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Moreover, for raising internal finances, it is not proper to assume that the coal mining industry should tap only its own resources. Modern mining is really carried on by the finances advanced by commercial institutions, banks, financial institutions, investment institutions, and the like. Now, in India, though these banking institutions have not so far got a developed technical wing, it is difficult for them to know what the condition of the mining machinery and plant in a particular mine is. It is difficult for them to assess whether in future a mine, in spite of some investment, would be a paying preposition or not, whether a mine would be in a position to pay back the loan after some time or not. In the absence of that technical wing, in the absence of accurate knowledge of coal mining, these financial institutions are at a disadvantage because then they do not have this knowledge. They naturally do not like to take any risk. Therefore, even if the state governments would give the permission required under the mineral concession rules, even in that situation, I do not feel it would be possible for these coal mines to raise adequate matching rupee finance. How is then the situation to be tackled? There is a coal board which is having a technical wing and which possesses expert knowledge of mining machinery and mining conditions. One of its duties is to judge the efficiency and the future profitability of a mine. Now, if the technical knowledge that is at the disposal of the coal board is somehow connected with the private commercial institutions, in that case it may be possible for the coal mines to raise the matching rupee finance. I do not know if the government have applied their mind to bring the coal board and the financial institutions together into some scheme. Unless that is done, unless the state bank or some other banking institution or even the government set up their own technical machinery to judge the efficiency and effectiveness of a coal mine, I feel that in spite of the relaxation of the mineral concession rules, in spite of the willingness of the state governments to sanction assignation and mortgage adequate